creating a new feature where when we select a player, we want to highlight that player, just like how when we select a tool, we highlight the tool. Currently, we don't show any highlighting, but there's nice animations. But I would like it if we could show the same red glowing effect. So let's go ahead and do that. Create a new game. Oh, let's have 2 players in it. And we can click around now. Sweet. Okay, so first let's see what CSS am I doing here to get this effect. I believe that is tools container SCSS. Oops. Okay, tools container SCSS. And in tool list, tool clickable selected. This looks like what I want. Keyframes highlight. Keyframes highlight. Okay. So it looks like background position 0, 0, 0. I'm not sure what that's about, but I'm guessing I want to make this a mix-in. Let's look up mix-in. I think I have one somewhere. Yeah, okay. I got this. So let's make a new one. Mix-in glow, I guess. Color. Listing. And this will be color instead. Oops. There we go. And fix that. Color here. Probably delete that. And that should do it. Okay, tools container. We could delete all of this. And at include glow, pass in the color. Delete that. I wonder if that works. Whenever I did this, I could now delete that in place of that. Okay, let's go back to our code, see if it still works. Click that, and it does. Sweet. Let's go play around with it a bit, and instead of red, let's say we did orange. Sweet. Oh, I kind of like that, orange instead of red. Oh well, that's a discussion for another day. And now we could use this mix-in for the players container, player list container. Over here, we need to have a class name of selected whenever we click a player. So let's look on click. There's 2. What is this thing? Key player.name, no game winner, on click handle click vote. This is probably the one, but let's look at what else. Oh, this is also handle click vote. Oh, that's for village. So we actually need it on both. But first, let's read this. What is this about? Key player name, class name, no game winner, and current player.name not equal to whatever player is. Player is. Okay. Oh, we're mapping through the players array. So that's every single player. So what about it? Current player.name not equal to player. So every other player besides yourself. And that player has to be active then it'll be clickable. Otherwise, nothing. Okay. Okay. So, any chance we set state and handle click vote? Handle click vote. Here we go. Village card icon most voted. No. No. Wait. That is a prompt. So game container, I guess. Handle click vote. That was it. All right, so we have set state voting target, and that's what we need. If voting target equals to the player name, then it's selected. Yep. So let's pass down voting target to player list container. Current player vote countdown quarantine flash handle click vote. Voting target. Okay, let's destructure voting target. And let's receive it in player list container. Oh, this is a player? Not sure. Let's go back to game container. What is voting target? Voting target. Voting target. Oh, it's a string. Okay, that's interesting. Player list container. Okay, destructure voting target. Actually, I'm going to move this over here and move this down. Just like function n. Why is that red? Oh, it's not used. That's fair and valid. Voting target. Okay, okay. So we need to go to that onClick. Okay, and instead of checking this first, we need to check voting target triple equal player dot name. If so, then we have selected. Else do whatever was there. And I'm gonna need this for handle village vote also. So the next onClick. Here we are. Oh, voting target. Going back to village. I think. Okay. Player list container. So in here we have a bunch of things. Card. Where? Card icon eliminated. Village. Okay, so I'm guessing. Wait. That's okay. Okay, let's go back to player list container. And what should I be looking for here? I guess clickable. It would be in line with clickable. Here, list container, clickable. Sweet. So at the pretty highest level, pretty much. Okay. Dot selected at include below whatever that color was. Go look at the diff. Here we go. Player list. Maybe I should turn this into a variable. Yeah, that'd be a good idea. Call it. I'm just gonna say it's red. Red. And in app.scss, we are going to make a red. And in player list container, we now have red. Okay. Does that still work? Yes. Does that work? Yes. Wonderful. So this selects the whole thing. Do we want that? There's like some margin. I don't know. Maybe. Let's have more players and decide. So if 4 people vote for the same person, how does that look? Okay, let's go. Attack 1. Attack 1. It looks silly. Yeah, so we probably only want it around the card itself. Yeah, that looks silly. All right, so let's change the logic a bit. Instead of having selected on the whole thing, wow, there are a lot of things open. So we could close that, we could close that, close that, close that. Here we go. So where did I put you? Selected. Let's remove that. We could put it on the card instead. Oops. Target. Okay. So we want this. Let's put it in card selected equals. Okay. And then we'll put that here. Nope. Yes. Okay. Copy that line. Let's go down to here. Oh, wait. Okay. That is, hey, how does this come together? Where does this return end? That ends there. What is this? This is inside of the map. And then there's a div here for village votes, which means above this whole thing, we have this. And this will instead be going back to village. And then we come down here and delete this. And card village, some logic. And here we have, okay. Maybe is, what is selected. Quarantine flash effect is not being used. Okay, why? Did I delete it by accident? Oh, I did. Let's put you back. All right. And let's test this out. Okay, that's more like it. Ooh, but then now it's like elevated. That's odd. How do I want to resolve this? Flex start? Yeah, maybe. Wireless container. And justify self. Flex. Nope. Maybe higher up. So that's card. Wait, huh? Oh, selected shouldn't even be there. That should go into card now. Card. And here. And right. And separately. That's the one. Okay. So does that still work? Yes. Okay. But what is there center anywhere? Align item center. That's fine. But I guess over here, this would need justify content. What about flex direction? Okay, column. So we want align items flex, which we have. Interesting. This is gonna get pretty nasty. Let's add some players. Just get a better visual. 4 should be enough. Okay. Okay, so let's say 2 people vote for you. Okay, it only stands out the same amount. Maybe I could shift it down, forcefully shift it down. Or maybe I like it being shifted up. No, I don't. Let's inspect this. Okay, clear list is the whole thing. It looks like there's some kind of margin, and then this one loses the margin. Interesting. So what if I did, actually let's look at it. Let's look at justify content. Let's just line items. Let's send and and I need it to not get shifted up. Flex direction. What about this? Align items. Flex audio and flex start. Center. That definitely looks weird. Flex start is the right one. But so like, why is there some margin there? Margin top 40. Oh, is that padding? Justify content align items. Okay. What if I just shifted it down? Yeah. So we have selected margin. Let's do small 0, 0, 0. There. Okay, maybe tiny. Not quite. Small it was. Yep, that's working as expected. Nice. Okay. I'm happy with this. Let's commit it. Oh, wait, before we do, let's check the village. Yeah, that works. Notice how there's a small gap there, but not here. So let's fix that. And also, I need selected to be on mobile also. So that's card, and then there's all these things. There's that. Okay. Village. Okay, village. Name and blah, blah, blah. So maybe margin. 0, 0, tiny 0. No. That's top right bottom. Padding. No, that's not it. So not village. Maybe vote list. Although if we do that, this would be margin, and this would be 0, and this would be tiny. Yeah, okay, that's better. But then now we have double over here, so there's padding coming from something else. Let's look for, well, first of all, let's apply this to mobile. Vote list here. And separately, where is card? Okay. So dot card could be anything. All right. Margin left, right. Padding. Let's comment out padding. That's not it. Cursor name. Maybe it's in HTML. It's possible. So look for BR. Where's the BR? Okay. So it has to be CSS. Let's look for tiny. Margin left, right, list. Padding. Select. And then got it. Pretty sure is it. Oh no, that is not it. That's something else. Yeah. Or I could just live with it. It's no big deal. No, it's bothering me. It is definitely bothering me. Why? Inspect. Vote list. You are getting margin, but that is applying to everything. You are getting something else. Voter. Voter has something around it. Let's look at voter. Voter. Finally, vote icon with height span. Margin. Oh wait, I did that just now, didn't I? Yeah, I did. All right. I think I'll proceed. That's so minor. I'll just come back to that some other time. So we could commit this. We could add commit feature, checkout branch actually. Let's do git stash. Checkout branch. What branch? 191 vote should highlight player. And stash apply and feature player votes player, or actually selected card highlight and well charge ahead. Close number 191. And let's see, what did I do? So native variable red. Oh, I should not call it red. Yeah, I should call it primary glow color or something like that. So app.css. And the reason why is because if I ever want to change this color to like orange, like I kind of like that earlier, then the variable name is going to be red, but it's not going to reflect what the actual color is. So this would be setting myself up for failure. Instead, let's call this color glow primary. And if I'm going to do that, then anywhere I referenced red needs to be renamed. Okay. Color glow primary. Okay, and git add, commit, fix our style, colors, let's place that in charge and head. So I am destructuring voting target because that's how I know who is selected. Pass that down to playerless container. Did some CSS. Flex direction. Oh, I just moved it. Same thing. Added selected, and that is our glow effect. Let's refresh to reflect the CSS change. Yep. And adding a little bit of margin. Vote. Adding a little bit of margin. Oh yeah, that was to push it down, right? And vote list, also adding some margin on the top. Why is this here? Oh, it's probably for mobile. Yeah, so same thing here as that because this is for mobile. And receiving voting target. Checking is selected for village. Checking is selected for player. Passing it in as a class name, passing it in as a class name. And what is this? Oh, refactoring to use our mixin. Refactoring to use our mixin. Here's our mixin. Nice. So we can totally merge this. And that's it for this feature. So thank you for watching. And if you like what I'm doing, then hit the like, subscribe, bell, and I'll see you in the next one.